I've been trying out Higgsfield and Leonardo a lot recently, and I quickly realized that as a brand, you can create attention grabbing visuals, just like you're seeing on screen now, so much easier and quicker in one of the websites compared to the other. This is the type of content that can help you bring attention to your products and scale your business. But there's creators and marketers out there that don't realize how easy it is to make these videos in one of these websites and might end up spending their money on the wrong one. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what I found when comparing the two. So to start off, we're skipping straight past breaking down exactly what image and video generation models both of these websites have separately. They've both got tons more than you could ever need, and most importantly, they have the best ones that everyone uses. So for image generation, that's Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2, and for video generation, that's Kling 3, Seed Dance 2, and Veo 3. Both websites have these. They're the industry leaders. That's all that matters. We're more important of what features do these websites have that are going to help us grow our brand, get attention to our products, and make sales quicker. So let's jump into that. So we'll start with looking at Leonardo AI, which is on screen now, and we'll focus in on what's in here to help us bring attention to our brand and our products. And to find that out, we need to head over to this area here, the blueprints area. And here, if we head over to the marketing professionals section, we can see exactly what's inside Leonardo AI to help brands. So these blueprints down here are little presets that help us create things that are going to help us in our business. So we can see here, we've got a logo creator blueprint. We've got a product photography blueprint where we can upload a picture of our products and it makes it look nice and cinematic, just like this image here. We've got this products spin blueprint video down here where we can create this effect from just a picture of one of our products. So these 24 blueprints are the presets that Leonardo has created with businesses in mind to help them promote their products and their brands on social media like quicker and easier. And I'll just show you quickly exactly how these work so you can decide whether you think it's useful or not. Let's try this model holding product preset. I'm going to upload an image of my product. So I've chosen this image of a drinks can I've used in one of my previous videos. We'll move on. I'll upload an image of me now here to be the model in this image that Leonardo is going to create for us. There I am. And now we'll just press generate. And after just 10 to 20 seconds, it's created these 3 images of me holding that product. And that's the idea behind Leonardo's blueprints. They're just simple templates where you follow the steps and you get images or videos that you can use for your business. But to be real, those 24 blueprints are all Leonardo has really created to help businesses get attention for their brand and their products. And outside of the ones that make nice images of your products or maybe a spinning video, there's not really anything else useful in those blueprints. Moving over to the Higgsfield website that you're seeing now, and straight away on the homepage, we're seeing wording here more focused towards businesses. We've got marketing here, ads here, so good signs so far. I'll put a link to the Higgsfield website, by the way, in the description to this video, as well as the pinned comment if you want to check it out, as well as the link to the Leonardo site. And yeah, just looking quickly through this carousel right here at the top of the homepage, we're already seeing a wider range of tools for businesses. We've got this feature here that helps you write hooks for your marketing. This template here that helps you create consumer adverts. If we have a look a bit further along, we've got a marketing studio, we've got marketing for apps. So already we're seeing more tailor-made things here for brands. And all of those brand focused features, they sit inside this marketing studio right here at the top. So we'll click to go into here now. And the marketing studio is what I use to create those viral style videos for products that you saw at the start of the video and on screen now. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and it's blown my way how quick and simple it is to use this to create like high impact social media content. So you can see at the top of Marketing Studio here, the claim is that it lets you turn any products into a video ads. You've got the option on the left here to create a video for physical products, or we can click this option down here to create videos for any apps that we're trying to sell. And the way this works is you upload your product information here by clicking this box. What's great is you can simply enter the URL for the product's webpage here, and Higgsfield will bring the product information into the website automatically. So if we put an Amazon link here, I'll just show you how this works. I've got the Amazon link, I'll press enter. Higgsfield goes away, checks that web page to get the information for the products. And there we go. Higgsfield has created that products slot from that website automatically. So a huge time saver, we'll just choose that. Then you upload an image of who you want to be in your advert. I've got an image of myself, which you can save. So I can just quickly choose that to have me in the ads every time. And then you can choose the type of advert you want to create by clicking the presets here. So if we scroll down, we can see that we have tons of different ad presets. We've got these kind of user-generated content style ads where you can have people using the products that you've uploaded into Higgsfield. Got this more kind of cinematography style with our product spinning around and having like a cool attention-grabbing motion. This was in Leonardo as well. This is kind of like the only one that Leonardo had. So we have that in Higgsfield too. Then you've got some even like more random attention-grabbing ones. So this wildcard ad type here, TV spot. And if you sell clothing, you can even make videos in Higgsfield of people trying that clothing on. So we'll just choose a preset. And when you've selected here the product you want in the video, the person you want in the video here, and the type of video you want made, you just press generate and you get videos just like you saw I'd made at the start of this. So in terms of making it quick and easy to create like attention grabbing content for your business's social media, Higgsfield wins here hands down. Like I've been playing with this tool for a few weeks now and it blows my mind. But there's more to running a business than just getting people's attention. Let's look at the automation potential that is inside both Higgsfield and Leonardo. So both Leonardo and Higgsfield have APIs, so you can embed their functionality into any app you're building. Here's the Leonardo documentation and here's the Higgsfield documentation. I'll move on quickly from APIs because I know such a tiny amount of people are actually interested in this stuff. I write about APIs in my newsletter, which you can find the link to below in the description to this video if you want to follow in there. But let's move on to something I think is more interesting. For serious content generation automation, Higgsfield just released what you're seeing on screen now, this new tool called Higgsfield Supercomputer. The idea is you can just type in here exactly what you want created and this Higgsfield tool will go away and make it for you. No more needing to know yourself exactly which AI model you need to choose to do a task or knowing how to prompt like an expert. Apparently Supercomputer just decides and does all that stuff for you. If you check this, I tried out Supercomputer the other day and I simply gave it this thumbnail for one of my previous YouTube videos and I simply asked it to create a French, German and Italian version of that thumbnail from the original thumb, and it went away, it did all the translations itself, and it came back with these 3 German, Italian and French translated thumbnails automatically for me. I didn't have to do anything. I also asked it to create a drinks ad for me the other day and it went away and created like this advert right here. So really impressive automatic content creation with this new tool. And look at this, another really interesting feature I found from this new supercomputer tool from Higgsfield is it has this memory area here where it remembers things for you. So if you're a business, you could upload, images of your logo, maybe a PDF with your brand guidelines, images of your company mascot or whoever you want to be in the content that you have supercomputer create for you. And once your things are in that memory area, supercomputer will remember it every time it creates something for you and make sure it follows that rules. So the amount of time that's going to save people not having to type in those instructions or upload their media every time they use it, and just the consistency you're going to be able to have across any business content you create here, that's a huge benefit for businesses that kind of blew me away when I discovered this. You're probably starting to recognize where I'm going with this now. If we head back over to Leonardo website and, we'll go to the homepage, let's think about integrations and how these websites can integrate with other areas of your business. If we scroll through the Leonardo website, there's no integrations. You have to use Leonardo on its webpage to be able to use any of the features. If we head to settings, there's no way to connect it to other areas of your business. Whereas in comparison, back in Higgsfield now, if we head to connectors, you can fully connect Higgsfield into your business ecosystem. I'm really all about automation around content creation this year. I personally want to start being more entrepreneurial and selling products to customers. That means I'm going to have less time to spend creating content. So anything like this that I see that is going to let me step back and still have content creation happening on autopilot without me really gets my attention. So I was stoked when I saw this. So let's think of a quick example. You could have HubSpot connected to your Higgsfield account so that whenever a new customer enters your HubSpot database, a personalized video could be created inside Field Super computer, and then you could connect to WhatsApp so that that video is sent directly to that customer through WhatsApp. Like, this opens up so many possibilities, and you can even schedule things to happen on a routine daily or weekly basis inside Higgsfield to just keep your content creation going on without you. On top of that, there's also a Higgsfield MCP, which I made a video about a few weeks ago, which means you can connect Higgsfield to your Claude app. So you can generate images or videos using Higgsfield, but you can do that through your Claude app. And then obviously you can bring that into any Claude automations that you're building inside your own Claude account. And yeah, that just blows up the possibility for automation even further. It's crazy. So in my opinion, it's not even a competition when it comes to Leonardo AI versus Higgsfield for brands. Higgsfield wins hands down. The link is in the description to this video and the pinned comment. Like I said, if you want to just go and check it out yourself, seriously, like, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. If you're interested in connecting Higgsfield into Claude with that MCP that I mentioned, the link to that video is right there. I do like step-by-step instructions on how to connect it and exactly what you can do inside Claude once that's connected. So watch that next. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.